Are you a React developer struggling with tight deadlines, endless design tweaks, and making sure everything looks perfect on every device? Well, there's an easier way. Meet the Essential UI Kit for React from Syncfusion. This powerful toolkit makes building stunning web applications effortless. With over 160 professionally designed, responsive, and composable UI blocks, you can speed up development while maintaining a clean and modern aesthetic. And the best part? It's incredibly simple to use. Just explore the gallery, preview UI blocks, and copy their code from online demos or GitHub. Integrate them into your project, add business logic, and be amazed as your ideas turn to reality. Building a dashboard, use grids, calendars, and lists. Creating an e-commerce app, grab pricing cards, checkout pages, and product return pages. No need to start from scratch. It also includes navigation bars, sidebars, forms, cards, and even email and chat components. The Essential UI Kit for React has everything you need. It's fully responsive, ensuring seamless adaptability across devices. Plus, it supports Tailwind CSS and Bootstrap 5.3, giving you dynamic design options in both light and dark modes. It's open source, so you can access the full codebase on GitHub, tweak it to fit your brand, and build without limits. Need help? No worries. The Syncfusion team is here to support you via our support portal. So why waste time on repetitive UI construction? Build React apps faster, easier, and more consistently with the Essential UI Kit for React, your shortcut to efficient development. Explore the kit, try the demos, and download UI blocks for free. And let's build something amazing together.